Do you know many people are having trouble with their Brother printer not printing after sitting idle? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check connection. Ensure your Brother printer is powered on and connected to your computer or network securely. Step 2. Quality check. Run a print quality check to see if there are missing lines or faded colors on the print. Step 3. Clean print head. Perform a print head cleaning, focusing on any color showing issues, using normal to strongest cleaning strength. Step 4. Replace cartridges. If cleaning doesn't help, change the affected ink cartridges with genuine Brother ink replacements. Step 5. Check paper load. Double-check that paper is loaded correctly and matches the paper typesetting in the printer. By following these steps, your Brother printer should be up and running again smoothly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.